Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll look at 2 correct ways to pronounce ophthalmologist. So it's a long word. A good strategy for this word is to break it down syllable by syllable, to look at all of these consonant sounds and find out what they say, and to practice from the stressed syllable stretching into the unstressed syllables. So let's talk about what that means. When we look at ophthalmologist, as I said, there are 2 correct pronunciations. The first has the PH letters have the F or F sound. In both pronunciations, the rhythm of the word is the same, and the main stress is on the ma syllable. We have secondary stress here on the first syllable, so letter O is going to say ah in both of these pronunciations. So I've written it here with an OFF like the word off. You could also think about it like off or op. We tend to spell the ah sound with letter O in English in stressed syllables, and you're probably familiar with off and op as words, so you might be saying those correctly. But just to be very clear, we want to make sure that you're thinking of it as the ah, which a lot of languages spell with letter A. So making sure that you have that ah thinking. PH does say F in a lot of not a lot of words, in some words like phone, for example, or nymph at the end of the word. So one pronunciation does use a F sound. The THA, this A is always going to be the sound. It's unstressed, it's a reduced vowel schwa, sounds like So that syllable will sound like th. So far in the top pronunciation we have off the, and then this letter O again says our ah sound, ma, off the ma. Then this letter O goes back to being a schwa sound, sounds like l. And finally letter G says the j or J sound, gist, ophthalmologist. So I would build this slowly, trying ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. Another strategy is to build from the stressed syllable, just trying mologist, ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. That's going to help you get the rhythm and which vowels should be clear, which vowels should be reduced. It's always helpful to start on that stressed syllable. Then the alternative pronunciation, and the one that I typically use, has the PH, letters PH saying the P sound. That's the same as ophthalmologist, it just sounds like ophthalmologist. Same strategies will work, syllable by syllable. Ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. Or building from the stressed syllable, mologist, ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. Once you can master this word by itself, which may take some time because it's a little bit complicated, has a lot of syllables, some challenging sounds in it, then do try practicing it in some short phrases so it comes smoothly and naturally to you in your everyday speech. For example, I saw the ophthalmologist because I was having an issue with my vision. Thank you for this request. If you have a request you'd like to see me cover in our Word of the Day series, feel free to leave that in the comments for this video or any of my videos. I'll add it to my list to cover in a future class. I'll be back again tomorrow with another Word of the Day, as well as on Saturday we'll have our live question and answer class. You can attend that class, put your questions in the chat, and I'll answer them live. Thanks so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing the videos, and a special shout out to our channel members. I really appreciate your support. You can find more free practice and online courses on our website, speechmodification.com. I'm Christine Dunbar. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, everyone. See you again soon. Have a word or a phrase you need help with? Leave it in the comments and I'll make a video for you. Want to sound like a native speaker? You can do it. speechmodification.com.